Hey guys, I've been slipping. I think this might be week 6, but woo, look at this hair. I got a lot now. It's coming in. It's still a little bit thinner than I would like it, but it's growing in. Let me give you a little part action if I can. I don't know if it got any thicker in there. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to compare it, but I'm just happy that I got some length. And then just to give it perspective, I must love y'all. I'm showing y'all my hair when I'm just straight out the shower. Anyway, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So my hair in here was the hair, all the hair that broke off. And now it is filling in. Amen. All right. Week 6, I believe.